What's up, crypto family? Listen, we're in good territory here. A lot of folks panicking, selling off. Oh, we got tariffs. Oh, it's going to change everything. Stock market's going to crash. Of course it is, folks. And you know who's sitting here like this? Institutional investors, man. This is a time to move. It's time to move on XRP, XLM, XDC. A lot of them, man. Yeah, Safe Moon too. All y'all, wake up. This is the time. So here's the thing. For those who are new to the game, events like this is where, or are where, wealth is made. You got massive upheaval in the market. I looked at XRP. It was down to like 230 something when I last checked. It was at what, almost 330 2 or 3 days ago. That's a huge drop, folks. That's the time when people who don't get wealth transfers sell off. That's what's going on. That's why it's down. People are selling, panicking because of these tariffs. And I'm not saying that the tariffs are specifically for this reason, but this is the kind of thing that the institutional investors wait for. They know there's going to be upheaval when the administration changes, and they know there's going to be upheaval when a person like Donald Trump gets into office. Massive movements in the market. Wealth is being generated. It's a zero-sum game, folks. Somebody wins, somebody loses. The folks that's running for the hills, selling and selling and selling, panicking, those are the losers. The ones who are sitting in there waiting for it to hit the bottom part of the valley so they can jump in and grab it before it does this, those are the winners, folks. Somebody wins, somebody loses. Now, I would have went live with this, but I still got to wait like 17 hours before I can go live. And that's not your problem. The issue is pay attention to what's going on. This is the time, folks. This is the time to make moves. Now, I understand if some of y'all are like me who didn't make moves before, which thereby means you don't have the means to make the big moves, make some small moves, man. Make some incremental steps. Don't sit still. Don't sit on the sidelines, man. It's opportunity, folks. It's an opportunity for the crypto people in the back rooms, in the back hallways. What is it? The back rooms, yeah. Yeah, if we're stuck in the back rooms, it's a chance to, what's that word? Uh, I forget the word, phase, shift, something to get out of the back rooms, man. To get out of the muck of the the broke side, folks. We can make moves, man. Jump in with the institutional investors. You're gonna see it, and it could be days, it could be hours. Who knows? It's hard to say. Depends on who's at the head of those organizations and what their timelines are. But rest assured, they're sitting there loading their plates up, folks, or they're getting ready to load at the buffet, about to load their plates up, man. While we're outside selling our forks and knives and spoons. Come on, man. Y'all know that's what's going on. At least I hope you do. And I'm telling you that's what's going on. You don't have to listen to me because I'm not a provider of financial advice. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I can see the writing on the walls, folks. And you can too. Do your own research, man. For those who are new to the game, this is the kind of thing that happens. It's happened before, and rest assured it'll happen again. And this is just the beginning of this one. This one is going to be a wild ride. You might see 50% fall offs or more. And people are panicking and say, oh, the altcoin season is done. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's just the dates has just been shifted a little bit. That's all. It's still here. It's still coming. Because you don't even know what the real truth behind these tariffs are. Could be just a negotiation ploy for some other thing, overplay for the underlay or underlay for the overplay, however it goes. I'm telling you, folks, this is our opportunity. Pay attention. Watch what happens. Be expecting some more of this. Tomorrow, look for a crash in the actual stock market. Tomorrow being Monday. It's still Sunday, time-wise. So tomorrow being Monday, look for a significant sell-off in the stock market and possibly some more major sell-offs in crypto. Altcoins are going to plummet. Meme coins are going to just straight crash, most of them. There's this thing with Elon found some tricky stuff with Biden administration and Dogecoin. And that is also a thing that's in play. So it's a lot going on, folks. A lot to look around. Look around. There's information out here on it. Don't be afraid of the information, folks. Don't be afraid of the moves. If you have the means, it's just a recommendation. Like I said, I'm not providing financial advice. But if you have the means, it's a chance to generate some funds, bro. Major funds. If you can hold out to the other side, because the valley might be a little bit longer than usual due to certain circumstances that may tie into what's going on the world stage. It might take a little bit longer than we might expect, but it's okay because this happens. This happens. This has happened over and over again since the first corporation went into existence and the economies became based on companies. This is the thing. Billionaires have been made during times of upheaval. Over and over. It's a pattern. It's a known pattern. You can research it. You can go all the way back to I'm not just talking about the Rothschilds and the Rockefellers. I'm even talking about further back than that. Wealth has been made during times of upheaval. I'm talking about going back to the kings of kings of old. They had wars back then and spoils of war. It's the same principle, but the battlefields tend to be the business world. A lot of them. Some of them are actual physical wars with guns and bombs and all that. But there's a lot of battlefields with kings fighting this in the battlefield of business, the internet, general commerce, general marketing. All is fair in love and war. That's a real thing, bro. So I don't know whose side you're on, but you might want to get on the side of the wealth generation because that's where we are. Just something to think about, folks. I'll be back with some more general crypto news soon. Thanks for watching.